Howdy folks, we're having a look at our 1981 Kawasaki GPz550. Bike's in pretty good shape for its age. It's not cracked up or wrecked. The cowl is still in good shape. The tank is in good shape. This this bike was definitely a garage queen. It looks good around the back. Original seat with a couple of pinholes in it, but nothing crazy. 26,000 on the clock. High beams work. Turn signals work. Well, they're not blinking, so probably got a bad relay, but they do work. I guess there's nothing to do but get her going and take her on a ride.